Hey yo, what's up guys? This is Huey back to you with another video, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, not something we usually do. As you can see, I have withdrawn all the money from my account and I'm actually at $50 right now, and the reason for that is I wanted to show you how easy it is to make money if you master the 1 minute time frame chart and you learn to use it, and you learn to use the technique that I'm about to show you. It is really easy technique. You don't need to be super smart. Of course, it's going to be a benefit if you understand how to see other things on the market and understand when it's good for you to go in and when it's good for you to get out. But without further ado, I just want to show you and explain how this strategy works, and we're gonna kick it off with probably trying to make at least $5,000 in one trading session, and we'll see how it goes. For this strategy, you're gonna need 3 exponential moving averages. The green one is a 25 exponential moving average, the orange one is a 50, and the red one is a 100 exponential moving average. You need to set those up, and if you want to learn how to do it, you can refer to the previous video I've done on this matter. It is explained in depth, so make sure to check that out. And the second thing we're going to need is the Williams fractal indicator, and you can find it by following these 3 simple steps. We go to the indicators tab in the top left corner, and here you can see fractal. We choose this one, click on it, and it immediately adds the fractals to our candles. We set the period to 2, and then I prefer to change the color of up being the red one and the down being the green one. I prefer it this way, but you can choose any colors you want. However, I would advise you guys to use green and the red one so you have a better understanding when to go short or long. There are a few rules to trading using this strategy, and those rules are: you only buy when the 25 EMA is above the 50 EMA and 50 EMA is above 100 EMA. And the opposite, you only sell if the 25 EMA is below 50 and 50 is below 100. Our entry signal is going to be when we see the price pull back into a 25 or a 50 EMA mark. Next one is we need to wait until the fractal indicator prints an arrow that aligns with the market trend that you're currently in. So in this case, the market is in an uptrend, so we're waiting for a green arrow to appear and indicate that is a perfect opportunity for us to go long. And now let's see how this strategy plays out on the real market. Right here, we're just waiting for the signal for us to go in. This is a really easy to understand and learn strategy, and if you guys want to learn more tricks like this, make sure to join Neo's team. You can find the link in the description below. It has multiple lessons on how to improve your trading skills, and you will definitely go from being a novice trader to being a pro. And here we can see that the most recent candle is bullish, so we're gonna wait for that fractal signal for us to go in, and it should be coming any second now. I am already prepared, and there it is, it prints, and we immediately go and buy. This is how easy it is, guys. If you stick to this strategy and just keep going and learning more and more stuff, you're definitely gonna be able to build a good amount of money on your account without any problems. So let's skip ahead and see if this holds true. And indeed, our first option does go through. We make $38 and we change our trading amount to $88.50 because we're gonna go all in every time. Please keep in mind that this strategy is not 100% success. It is definitely a high rate of success if you manage to master it. However, it does not give you a 100% success chance. So make sure you are aware of what you're doing. Don't go all in like I do. I am doing it only for the purpose of this video. You can try if you want to. However, I do not suggest people going all in on each trade, because that is not a good trading practice. However, we're doing it for the sake of the video to show you if it is actually possible. Now let's look at another example. This is the same trading pair. 3 minutes later, the price has just pulled back into the 25 EMA and we get the fractal that's indicating that we should go long, and we immediately do so. Now let's skip ahead and see the results. And there it is, another successful option. We are already at 156. It only took us 2 options and we made $100. Let's go ahead and set our trading amount to 156 and scout for some more opportunities. And here we have a decent setup. However, I am not sure I want to go in here. So we're gonna switch to this one. Okay, this is way better. This is actually way better. And I think this has the potential to be another successful entry point for us. So let's wait and see actually. And you can see that the price here pulled back into the 50 EMA. So this is very good for us. Now we're just gonna wait till this candle closes out and see what the fractal signal tells us. And then we're basically gonna play off that. And okay, there it is. So we immediately buy. And let's go to the end of this option and see what it's like. And just like that, the strategy works again. We are generating more and more money, and we're switching this to 289 now. And let's scout some more and look if we have anything good. This actually looks like a decent setup now. However, I will probably look for something better since the price has broken below 50 EMA previously, and I probably don't want to take the next trade here. So we'll look for more. So here's another decent setup right here. The price has just pulled back into the 25 EMA, so we should get a decent, okay, there we get the signal, the fractal appears, and we go in immediately. Let's skip to the end of this option and see if it was successful or not. Unfortunately, it looks like the run is over. Oh, it seems like the last second the price actually went above our entry point, and we are gonna be benefiting from this trade. It's kind of unexpected. I already thought that the run was over, but let's set our price to 534 and continue our scouting and looking for more opportunities for us to make profit using this great strategy. Here's another more or less decent setup here, and I'm gonna risk it and go in while the candle is still in progress. Please remember that using this strategy, you only want to go once you get the fractal signal and the candle has just closed. Do not do it like I just did. I might pay for this with losing all of the money that we have generated so far. However, I see that there's a lot of resistance coming at the lower levels, so I am expecting the price to be pushed up. I would like to emphasize once again that this is a risky situation here, and you should stick to the strategy you're using. And once you get more experience with trading, you can complement your trading strategies like this one, for example, with new indicators and new knowledge that you have gained while trading. But if you take risks like this at an early stage, be aware that you might take a loss. Luckily for us, it seems it's going more or less well. Luckily for me, I should say. So we're gonna continue looking at this and see if we end up in the profit right here. It's only a few seconds left of this, and so far it's looking a little bit shaky, but I think we'll be able to secure. And yes, indeed, we are securing this option, and we are almost at $1,000. May I remind you that we have started at $50 and we have already made it this far. I am already happy. However, I would love to go even higher and maybe make at least 3 to 4,000. As I said previously, this is an all or nothing type of trading, and I do not suggest you guys try it. However, I am just proving the point that this strategy indeed works and you can make money if you get a little bit of luck on your side, but also if you stick to the strategy that you picked and follow the clear signals. Only enter the market when you can see the clear sign that it's time. Do not enter the market like I did on my previous trade and risk all your savings just like out of the blue. Don't do that. Like you can see right here, we have a pretty good setup. The market has the price has just pulled in into the 50 EMA and it's going up. So we're gonna wait for that fractal come in, and then we're gonna take the long position and hopefully generate 1.8k dollars, which is gonna be great for us. But let's see. And there it is, it comes in and we immediately take the long position. You see here, I've done everything correctly. I've stuck to the strategy. The price pulled into the 50 EMA. The market is uptrending. The fractal arrow is in the uptrend as well. So we immediately take long position, and let's speed this up and see if this is a success. And yes, of course, the option does close successfully, and this is what I'm trying to say, guys. If you stick to the strategy and follow the rules of it, you will be able to generate money, and you will significantly reduce the chance of failure. Make sure to just follow the rules that you have set for yourself and for your strategy that you're using. In this case, we're always looking for that pullback, we're looking for the trend, and we're looking for the fractal arrow that shows us that shows in the direction of the trend that we're trading in. And now let's look for more profitable positions. Let's look for more market setups that can benefit us. And here we have another great setup with a downward trend. The red fractal appears and we immediately take the short position. As I say, guys, stick to the strategy. The downward trend, the red fractal appears, we take short position. The price is just pulled up into the 50 MA, and now we're waiting to generate even more money. Also, I wanted to go all in. Unfortunately, my account level does not allow me to put 1.8k, so my max trading amount currently is 1000, and that's exactly what we're going to be using from now on until we get that raise on our trading amount. And just like that, another successful option, $2,500, guys, just using this one simple strategy. It's very easy to understand, very easy to use, and it yields great results. If you want to learn more of this stuff, as I keep saying, guys, join Neo's team. We have a lot of perks for people that are in the team. You're gonna be able to get access to the online courses, and you're also going to be able to participate in social trading led by the professional traders, while you're going to be profiting and taking the same trades they're doing at the same time and making money. And that will give you a glimpse of what it's like to be a professional trader and what is their train of thought when they're trading. All of this is going to be available to you once you join Neo's trading team. Make sure to follow the link in the description below. Send Neos a message on Telegram and he will help you set everything up and grant you access to the Neos private trading group as well, where you can trade alongside Neos and his hand-picked signals. And do not forget about the trading robot. You've already seen what it's capable of. So guys, do not sleep on this opportunity. Go grab it. And also, let's continue looking for profitable market setups. I'm gonna try to raise the cap once again. Unfortunately, it does not let me, so we're gonna keep it at $1,000 for now. All right, let's keep on looking for these good market setups for this strategy. And here we have another fantastic setup. As you can see, the price literally just pulled into the 25 VMA. we have the red fractal indicating that we should take a short position, and the market is in the same trend as the fractal that's indicating that we should take this position. So I took it without hesitating, and let's see if it does succeed. Let's go. And of course the strategy works again, so let's keep on striking the iron while it's hot. Let's keep going. We are at a fantastic pace, guys. 3.5k dollars out of $50. If I can do it, anyone can do it. Just believe in yourself and don't give up. Stick to the strategy. I promise you guys, you will be rewarded. Here we have another great setup. Without hesitation, we immediately take the long position. You can see the market pull back into the 50 EMA, pulls back up. We get a green fractal signal and we take the long position. Now let's see where it takes us. I think we'll be able to get it just barely. Unfortunately not. It is a draw. We'll take the draw though. It's better than the loss. Don't waste any time. Continue scouting. Look for more setups. Let's go. Another great market situation for us here. As you can see, the price pulled into the 25 EMA and we get the green fractal and we buy. As you can see, the market has recently shifted into an uptrend from downtrend, and you can tell this by the green line being crossing the orange and the red lines. That means that before that the market was in downtrend. Situations like these are also a great way to enter the market. However, I am going to explain that in future videos and go more in depth on how to do it. But for now, let's stick with this amazing pullback strategy, amazing scalping strategy, and let's get to the other this option to see where we stand. Let's go. And another win, guys, $4,000. This is absolutely insane. I know that this strategy is good. However, it does have 80% success rate on average. I did not expect this to happen, so I gotta have some luck on my side, and it seems to be the case. So let's keep on going while we're lucky. Let's keep on looking for those good market situations and make the best out of them. So here we have another potentially good setup, and in this situation I'm not relying only on the fractals and EMAs. I also know when the market does this, you know, power move, when you see like the bullish, you see those bullish candles, I know that it usually tends to reverse in the opposite side with the same strength. So I already know I'm going to take this trade. However, I am waiting for that fractal to just solidify my decision. And once you guys join Neo's team, you will be able to learn all about this and see these market structures and have an understanding of what you need to do and where you can profit with a high possibility. So make sure to follow the link in the description below and keep learning, keep evolving, keep making money. And here we are, we have a fractal up here and we immediately take a short position in this case because the market is trending down, because there's a power move, because there's everything just screaming, please short me. And we're doing exactly that, so let's go. And there it is, guys. It took me hour, maybe 2 hours analyzing my trades, cherry picking them, and here we are. I want to do one more trade because we just breached the 5k mark and it's going so good. I want to do one more trade and I am available to put a 2,000 trading amount, so we're gonna go with that. Now I'm just gonna pick the most perfect one possible and hopefully we go even higher, and after that we're gonna stop, because remember, luck is not permanent and eventually it will stop. So I will do one more trade, so let's go ahead and try to look for a perfect setup for us to generate $1.8 thousand on top of what we have right now. And here we are, the final trade. We have everything set up here. Downtrend, check. Price pullback, check. Now we're just waiting for that one small signal of the fractal to come in, and we're ready to commit our $2,000 right here. And if it goes through, we're officially made it from $50 to $6,000 in one sitting. And that is absolutely mind-boggling. Mind-boggling, guys. So we're just waiting for this candle to close up and see the fractal. I already know it's going to be a red fractal. So as soon as it appears, we're going short, and here it is. So let's go to the end of this option, guys, and see what it is. Even if we lose this, we're still went from $50 to $3,000, which is absolutely amazing. And I think, guys, you should all give a try to this strategy. It's fantastic. And make sure to join Neo's team. You'll find more and more strategies like these that will generate huge amounts of money for you if you just take a little bit of time to learn them. So make sure to follow the link in the description below, send a message to Neos, and enjoy. Guys, I am so happy right now. We went to 6.5k in one sitting. This is absolutely fantastic result. I did not expect this. I thought I'm gonna lose all my money at like 3k, but I just wanted to prove that you can make even 3k. But the fact that I went and made over $6,000 in one sitting using one strategy, only one strategy, and I had like one shaky moment, which was completely my fault because I shouldn't have even went into that trade in the first place. This just proves how good this strategy is, and just if you're using it and just you're trading, make sure to stick to the strategy. Don't do any of that mumbo jumbo where you try to come up with your own stuff on the fly. Before you try to add more stuff to your strategy or to any existing strategy, make sure you learn and analyze the market, see what works, what doesn't, which things mix together and which don't, and only after that add those things to your rotation. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and give this channel a like and a follow if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.